Yo, what up, YouTube? Back with another one. It's been a minute. Did some upgrades to the Wire Freedom. Put the Citizen Cycle kit, controller, thumb throttle, front motor, baby, wired into the 60 volt instead of the 52 volt. He said he's gonna void the warranty, but hey, I used the DX2, was able to get it into the frame right here, so it's running off of both batteries. Got the wiring going through the frame. Pretty cool build. I also got the 2 screens now, dual screens. I don't know if you can see it. One says wired, the other one Citizen Cycle. Still got the grip throttle. Let's take it on the ride. I'm just gonna give you a quick ride around the parking lot. I'm on my lunch at work, so we're gonna test it out. I haven't really had a small ride today. Let's see what it do. Oh, jeez. That's a big difference, bro. That is a big difference. Ooh, jeez. They get up like it's nothing now. All right, hold on. Let me see, I'm gonna floor it from the gate. Hopefully I don't fall, bro. I'm on a death trap right now. All right, ready. I'm gonna just floor it, see what it do. What I like about this thumb throttle is you can add the power when you want it, versus the Predator, and you know you gotta adjust each wheel. You don't have no real control over this. You got some control, but I'm gonna just floor it and see. Woo. Woo. Said 32 real quick. That's crazy. Mind you, I'm 6'2", 210 pounds. So if he lighter, bro, it's really gonna move. Let's see. We got a little more straightaway over here. That's a good little stretch. Already 41. That's crazy. That front motor kit makes this thing a beast. Golly. This is next level, bro. I'm gonna put another video out. I'm gonna ride it around, maybe Oakland. Show you guys some East Oakland, Lake Merritt stuff. I'm gonna try to find some bike routes over here too. This beautiful city. Let's give it one more go. Oh, jeez. 30, 34, 40, 38, 40. Yeah, bro, that's next level, bro. Yeah, I definitely suggest, if you want to add some more power to your freedom and don't want to have to get a new bike, oh man, let's test the wobble. I don't even like riding with no hands anyway, but since I tightened down the head stem, I haven't got any wobble on it. Let me chase some of these birds. Got the birds scared. Oh my God, bro. I can't believe how fast it is now. That made a huge difference. Now, it wasn't no slouch to begin with, but we're gonna try with just the original throttle. Let's see. See that? It's already a beast. It's already a beast. With that second motor, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh man, that's next level, bro. That's next level. Well, I ain't gonna keep this one too long, man. I just wanted y'all to see. It's crazy, bro. Citizen Cycle kit wired into the 60 volt. I'm overvolting this controller. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I only use the throttle as needed. It's not something that I'm gonna be just hammering all the time. Like, I do enjoy the speed of this bike, but I don't speed all the time on it. But today I'm speed, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Jeez. Damn, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. If anybody out here in the Bay Area and you got a wire freedom, tap in, bro. You got a Predator, tap in, bro. I want to race. I want to see what it do. All right, man, the glitch, man, I'm out.